Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies around the world today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.62. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a loss of -7.85%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.49% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may be expected within this trend. The analysis over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 12.71% over the next 3 months, with projected returns ranging from a decline of 32.89% to a slight decrease of 0.90%. Examining the longer term, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of about -13.74%. Calculations suggest the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 27.83% and an increase of 58.90% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.54 and $5.59. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price up nearly 0.3% on Monday. The NIO stock price increased by nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, rising from $3.51 to $3.52. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.18%, with a low of $3.51 and a high of $3.59. The price has shown variability during this period, with no change over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased by 19 million shares on the last day, resulting in a total of 20 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $71,630,000. It's important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can signal divergence and may indicate potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 54.35%, or $4.19, below the 52-week high, and 94.75%, or $63.47, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. continues to capture attention in the Chinese electric vehicle market, currently trading under $5 and down 20% year-to-date. Despite facing significant headwinds from a pricing war initiated by BYD, the company is experiencing an upswing in vehicle deliveries and is rolling out new models. NIO improved its vehicle margins to 10.2% in the first quarter of 2025, up from 9.2% a year ago, and anticipates year-over-year delivery growth of 25 to 30% for the second quarter of 2025, which could bolster investor confidence. The recent chatter highlights NIO's low price-to-sales ratio, making it an attractive opportunity for investors looking for underperforming stocks with potential upside. However, concerns about rising operating losses and potential equity dilution linger, as NIO reported a 19% increase in losses year-over-year. Moreover, growth initiatives, including the introduction of new brands, Onvo and Firefly, in addition to its innovative battery swap technology, position NIO for long-term success. While current profitability remains elusive, sustained delivery growth and efficiency improvements may lay the groundwork for recovery. In summary, While NIO faces immediate challenges that could impact its stock price in the short term, its strategic growth initiatives and improvement in margins could present a favorable opportunity for recovery in the longer term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio, similarly, as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near short-term development. The NIO stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $3.63 and $3.85. A breakthrough above either of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 18.33%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 35 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 14 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 52 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.46. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.0767 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.18%. For the past week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 3.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 470 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.46. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 2 cents and begin trading at $3.54. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.